Hi guys, this is Manoj. I'm going to unbox the package from Paytm mall. Let me see what I ordered. Yeah guys, see I ordered the thing. It's for 300 rupees and I get my cashback of rupees 200. Let me keep it aside and let me unbox this one. Yeah guys, let me take this one out from the cover. Let me took this one out, and this is the, let you open up this one, and this is the one which I ordered. See, A5 Memo water bottle. Let me take this out. And finally we got the A5 Memo water bottle, and this is the water bottle. Let me take this cover out from the water bottle, and this water bottle is capacity is 450 ml. I mean less than 500 ml. Yeah. This looks nice, and it has the cap, black cap, and this also very good. This looks nice. See the brand A5 Memo on the side of the water bottle, and it looks premium and nice, and it is very comfortable to get into the bag. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Give thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.